Suites of May and Bristol Square. Fiddle 3. Fiddle 3, you have a lot of repetition in your part. So we're going to start by looking right at rehearsal mark 1, which is exactly the same as rehearsal mark 4. They're identical. So you're going to start on a G, which is third finger on the D string. You're going to play a little tiny backward scale followed by a bow circle. Circle bow, go back to the first note, and this time make your scale go down to the open string. Now go back to that top note, and you're going to play 3, which is a G, 2, which is F sharp, finger 1 E, slide finger 1 down, and now play open D, 3 on the G string, which is C, and 2 on the G string, and a circle bow. Okay, so we're going to do all of that again. This is rehearsal mark 1 and 4. So backward scale, just 3 notes long. Go. Circle bow, same starting note. Open D, same starting note. Finger 1, slide finger 1 back, open, circle bow. Okay, now you can back this video up and play that as many times as you need to. That is rehearsal mark 1 and rehearsal mark 4. So now we will look at rehearsal mark 2, which is the same as rehearsal mark 5. So we're just going to do this little groovy thing on E, finger 1 on the D string. So we're going to go wait, wait, wait. Last time. Low 2 on D, third finger on D, and now finger 1, E, let's repeat that section. Repeat. 2 more times. Last one. Low 2. Finger 3, G. Finger 1, E, 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 E. Okay, so that is rehearsal mark 2, also exactly the same as rehearsal mark 5. Okay, rehearsal mark 3. We're going to start with some open Ds. So we're going to go shot, shot, wait, third finger on the G string. Now go to the open D. You're going to play open, F sharp, G, E, scale, open, repeat that section. Wait, wait, third finger G string. Open D, go. Okay, that's rehearsal mark 3. This one doesn't repeat, because when we come back to where this would be in the next time around the tune, this is at rehearsal mark 6, we have some different notes here that we have to play. So instead of playing open D at rehearsal mark 6, we're going to start with a low 2, and it says that right in your music, low 2 on the D string. So we're going to do our shots, low 2, wait, now finger 1 on the D string. Okay, this ending is the same, D, F sharp, G, G, E, low 2. Okay, so it says it in your music, low 2 on the D string. Wait, finger 1. Wait, same note, and then we're going to look now at rehearsal mark 7, which is just arpeggios. So it starts with 2 D arpeggios. And now we're we're going down to the G string with, with finger 1. Finger 1 on the G string. And we're going to play 1, 1, 2, 1. And now let's play that arpeggio 2 more times. D. Down to that finger 1, 2. That's 1 time through that section. Let's repeat it. Arpeggio, go. A. Arpeggio. Low A. Okay, now we're at rehearsal mark 8. At rehearsal mark 8, we're going back up to our A string and we're going from B to G, which is finger 1 on the A string to finger 3 on the D string. And then A to F sharp. Okay, do that with me again. B to G. Ready, go. Good. Now we're going to have a finger hop here. So we're going down to finger 1 on the D string. We're going to play that note twice. Lift that finger down to the G string. Open D. Okay, so that's 1, 1, hop down, 1, open D. And now we have 2 arpeggios. One of them starts on the G string and one of them starts on the D string, but our fingers do the same thing. 0, 2, 0, 3, starting on G. Now the same thing on D. And way down to that low A that we play. Okay, so basically Fiddle 3, that is your part for this second tune, which is called Bristol Square. But you can see if you look down, so rehearsal mark 7, I should say this, rehearsal mark 7 and rehearsal mark 9, they're identical, exactly the same notes. Rehearsal mark 8 and 10 are very, very similar, but you can see that I've drawn some eyeglasses in your music and I've written shots. So in that place that we had the finger 1 hop from the D string down to the G string, we're doing that again, but instead of doing long bows, we're going pizza, pizza, hop, pizza, pizza. That's what I mean by shots. So finger 1 on D, hop down. Then we have the same arpeggios and D. Okay, so that's all the same. And now if you look in your music, 95, 96, 97, bar 90, 5, 6, 7, 98. Now everybody's going to be playing some long bows. So we're just going to put down that second finger on the G string. We're going to play a super long B. Down to finger 1 A, super long. And then B, A. Now here's our G arpeggio. D arpeggio. Low A. Okay, so that's what all the patterns look like. Again, use this video as many times as you need to. And the more familiar you can be with your notes before we come together in folk band, the more fun you're going to have in folk band. So there we go. That's Sweets of May, Bristol Square for Fiddle 3.